Yes, that's what the bowlers like to see in the column. A wicket of that first ball. They got a wicket of the last ball of the previous over. Will that be 3 back-to-back wickets for the team? Not so, not so, not so. Batting says don't kill us.
New batsman is Keshav Kumar. They will need a partnership now to recover from this hole they've dug themselves into. The 3 wickets that have fallen, opener Nishant, the beg your pardon, that is Raju trapped LBW. That was the last ball of the Vipul Krishna over, and then Shabir Khan disturbed the furniture with the first delivery of his 3rd over.
Now 4.3. Trouble. Big trouble. Now the journey ahead is going to be less adventurous. Why do I say so? Because 3 wickets have fallen. Either give somebody the license to just go and express yourself. If it clicks, good. If it doesn't click, then they can start the resurrection act from there on. Very late. The ball had passed the bat and then he tried to bring it down.
A wide called by the umpire. Still a late swing coming into play. Just past that line, which is an indicator for only a suggestion for the umpires.
And that's the beauty of cricket. I think the best sight is when the bowler swings the ball, because nothing troubles the batsman more than swing does, and nothing troubles the batsman even more. And what is it? Late swing. If you pitch it short, from there on it will not swing. It can deviate. It can be a leg cutter, can be an off cutter. Swing has to happen in the air.
Well, Shabir Khan suddenly realizing that he is onto something good. There is a bit of movement of the pitch. It's keeping him excited, and suddenly we see the towels coming out. More to wipe his sweat rather than the ball. The track has got a bit of grass on it, and possibly holding the moisture there.
You know, you can see a lot of grass on the ground. After this delivery, we'll be showing you what the nature of the surface is. You can see it from there. It is totally green. A delight for fast bowlers, especially when you have the twilight zone. And if you look at it from close quarters, this. I was there at the toss, and the fast bowlers are coming, looking at it and smiling.
Well, definitely that much of grass would bring a smile onto the face of any seam bowler, because he knows he is going to get good, decent movement of the surface. And we've seen good carry. Yesterday we'd seen a couple of deliveries stay low, but today we haven't seen that at all.
I never got to bowl in first class cricket because I was primarily a batsman. But when I was a college captain or school captain, I would bowl with a new ball. 3 types of deliveries: slow, slower, slowest. We'll talk more on that. Ravi has got a lot to say. 5 overs gone, and they stolen a single. They have not 16 for 3.